Hey, my name is Taryn. I ride a Honda Rebel 500 and I'm here today to talk to you about the Viking Patriot Saddlebags. These are the smaller ones that I have on my bike, the 14 liter, and I'll talk to you about how I mounted them to my bike, the different features of the bag, and then the overall size of what I can hold inside as a 14 liter. So I wanted a cleaner look for my bike, so I didn't want to use the throw-over benefit of the bag. I wanted to use the heart mount kit. So you'll see kind of the back side of the Dyna heart mount kit here. It uses a pinch to kind of pinch the throw over portion to keep them nice and secure, and it has some extra Velcro straps on the bottom. The hard mount kit itself came with lots of Dyna hardware, but you'll use for the Honda Rebel version just your OEM bolts that came with the bike for that. As you'll see, this pinch kind of mount is in here, and then if I take the Velcro off the bottom, which keeps it extra secure, we're able to flip it up and then you can kind of see more of that portion. So that's where the pinch comes into play. They're nice and secure, they're not going anywhere, especially with the Velcro on the bottom. The bags themselves feature a lot of the MOLLE straps. They have an outer pocket, and then some really cool features on the inside with extra pockets. Here we've got the zipper, which you can put a lock through to keep things nice and secure if you don't want anyone going through your bags. Definitely heavy duty zippers. But I mainly use my bags for commuting back and forth to work and carrying some things like lunch boxes and stuff, or going out to lunch or small day trips with friends. So I will take a small lunch box, a water bottle, and as you can see, I can fit a sweater in here. If you use mostly armored sweaters, that definitely won't fit, but something like a small long sleeve or sweatshirt will fit perfectly. On the other side, you'll be able to see where I keep a little bit more of my day-to-day type stuff. So I use the top pocket to hold registration and my proof of insurance, and then in the rest of the bag I can kind of fit the essentials in my opinion. So hairbrush to make sure I'm looking good wherever I go. This is removable Velcro bag that comes with it to organize the inside. Holds my phone typically, and on the other side I'll put in my glasses. It's soft enough on the inside where I'm not worried about it scratching my glasses at all. I can fit in a couple pairs of gloves typically, some toiletries, this is sunscreen since I'm normally riding in the sun, and then a small bag or purse that I take with me wherever I go that holds just my other essentials like chapstick, etc. I really like how the Patriot Saddlebags look on my bike. They're small enough to where I can still see all the features of my bike, the exhaust, the wheels, etc. But then they're large enough to where I can fit my day-to-day essentials, even something like a large water bottle, as long as it's leak-proof, and lunch to take back and forth to work.